Hi everyone, it's Angela here, Nerfenstein, and today I am hoping to upgrade my Cat Lady game, which I love. Cat Lady is an awesome little game. If you haven't got it, I've got a review of sorts on my channel, highly recommend. At the moment the pieces are little wooden cubes, chicken, milk, tuna and a wild piece. I'm hoping to make all of these out of polymer clay. Now I'm going to start with the little cans of tuna and I'm going to use this circle cutter to hopefully make the cans. I'm using the original Super Sculpey because I got it cheap and it's just a beige colour. I'm hoping I can turn this more of a grey colour. Just going to do a little test because this stuff's so expensive. Okay, it's not perfect because it's beige and not white, but for me to use black and white, I think it would be way too expensive. So I'm just going to stick with this and make quite a bit of it. Okay, having kneaded for 3 days, I've got this kind of brown colour. I'm not really happy with it. As I say, I would want to do it grey. But you know what, everything's fixable. So I've also decided I'm not going to use these to cut it because although that will be perfectly round, I think it will be actually easy to roll it into a sausage and then just cut straight down. So that's what I'm going to do. All the people that use Sculpey are watching me now going, no, Angela, stop. But it's fun to learn on your own, so. And hey, I figure if this works for me, it's gonna work for any beginner, isn't it? Okay, so the one trick that I learned on YouTube was put it in the fridge to make it harder, so I've just done that. These little cans are gonna be all different sizes, but that's fine. I found a cheese knife. I know, people that do polymer clay, scream at your screen. The razor blade's going to be too short to cut it, I think, so I'm gonna try this. Maybe I'll try this. Just as bloody hard. Maybe it would have been easier using this. This is hilarious. Okay, so I bought these things. I don't know what they're for. I think they might be for rolling and poking things. So I'm gonna use this to try and get it look like a can. Jeez. People on YouTube make this look so easy and it really, really is not easy. Maybe I'll try that. Oh, I don't know what to do, guys. I think that might be too big. Change your plan. Same problem, still got to get it out though. Maybe I shouldn't try and be fancy. Maybe I should just do them in circles. Just for clarity and honesty, I ended up going on Facebook and hit up Polymer Clay Obsession, a group, and they helped me by letting me know that using talc or water gets things out of molds easier. Okay, so carrying on with our little tuna cans for the game Cat Lady, which I love. I printed out some labels of different sizes because I couldn't test the size, and it turns out that the bigger one is actually quite a good fit. And sadly these are too big, so the small ones were too small, the big ones were too big, so I'm just going to cut off the last part of it. And then I'm literally just going to stick them on. First tuna can, complete. Last one just for effect, so you can see how easy this is. Glue it on, and then what I would do is clear coat it, which I can't do on camera because I need to go to my daughter's house to do that in the garage. I don't have a place to spray paint things here, and spray clear coating it would be a lot easier than having to do each one by hand. I'll put a copy of these labels up, by the way, on my website when I post this tutorial there. So only another 16 to go, or 15 to go. That is our cute little tuna cans for a Cat Lady. Hope you've liked this tutorial. Next up we'll be doing the chicken and then the milk. I've split them into different tutorials, otherwise this is just going to run on a little bit too long. So they're all little short ones. If you haven't tried out Cat Lady yet, game by Josh Wood, he did all the art and the design. Highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite little filler games at the moment. I've managed to sell multiple copies to multiple friends and family, so yeah, I really believe in this little game. Go out and get it. And if you want to upgrade your components from the cubes that come in the game to some nice polymer clay items. Keep watching these tutorials. Nerfenstein out.